Usually, I don't cook those things, but you know what, my friend, she's not like me. She doesn't have time to cook. Okay, she's not that lady like me. She eat fast. So we're gonna try to make our own food. Since all day we've been out, we ate out, we tired eating breakfast, lunch, dinner gonna be at home. I said I'm tired. We're gonna make the food at home. Okay, so let me show you. By the way, this is the water to cook the boiled rice and the white rice. Sorry. So we're gonna prepare our chicken. I'm gonna make the beans, a quick beans, a fake beans, fake Haitian beans. And I don't know if my friend has garlic. I already boiled the chicken. When I mean boiled the chicken, I already cleaned the chicken.